Hello, I am delighted to introduce you to Elizabeth from 29 Atelier. So welcome to the Fashion Studio.
Thank you for welcoming me here.
So do you want to give a little bit about who you are and what you do? Because I know, but people need to know how fantastic your collection is.
Oh, thank you very much. So 29 Atelier, our tagline is British luxury crafted for the eco-conscious bride. So for me, kind of producing here in South East London was always part of how I wanted the collections to be made and produced. It's really important to me as a designer to be supporting our local communities and local businesses. So when I met the team here, I just felt the chemistry was just incredible and it just fit with everything that I wanted to do. So that's why we chose to be here.
And what's so fantastic about your collection of bridal wear is it's almost like layered dressing for the bride, isn't it?
It is, yes. So basically, the idea that is inspiring the section, we're probably breaking away from traditional bridal wear in a little, in some parts, so that everything's inspired by kind of movements and wanting to feel really comfortable, because sometimes bridal wear, as you know, can feel so incredibly cumbersome and heavy.
Yeah.
So here we're just trying to work with the beautiful flowing fabrics and find those lovely fits and drapes that are actually really flattering. So for example, but the dress I was actually talking about was violet, which has around 7 metres in the skirt. So it's a huge amount of fabric, and it's just an incredibly flattering silhouette for all shapes to wear. And I'll just show you the skirt. So literally there's oodles of fabric. And this just makes
just stunning, isn't it? Oh, it's just so beautiful.
So this just feels magical to wear, and that is very much something that influences my design. Is I want women to feel the best
they can see.
Exactly, feel comfortable, at ease themselves, and not kind of all trussed up into things that are really restrictive.
And I know the machinists love working on the product. You know, obviously when you've got such great amount of fabric consumption being used, it's not easy to actually make.
No.
But they do a beautiful job.
They do an incredible job.
And also obviously fit is extremely important. And you mentioned about the chemistry of the team. I think that's where Claire and her very talented team of pattern cutters has really excelled. And I think your blocks are amazing.
They are indeed. I mean, we can literally offer a full service from doing full made to measure through to obviously made to order and made to size. And that's that, I wasn't sure whether I'd be able to get that chemistry with the production and whether that element would always have to remain in house. But actually, with the working with Claire and the team, they just literally they understand the way that I want the dresses to look, and are really flexible to adapt designs to suit each individual client.
Yeah. And it is a delight to work with you. You do understand exactly what you want, so that's great to have such specific instructions from you. And we can see that you're growing. We can see how well received you are within the industry. And just like to say, we wish you loads of success.
Thank you very much. Absolutely. Thank you.